Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial data with Mint, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your financial data with Mint, start by downloading the Mint app from the official website or your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This feature requires you to enter a code sent to your mobile device every time you log in. After setting up your account, navigate to the Settings page. Here, review privacy settings and make sure to adjust them according to your preferences. Consider opting out of data sharing with third parties for added protection. Link your bank accounts and credit cards securely within the app. Ensure you are connected only to trusted financial institutions. Mint utilizes bank-level encryption to keep your data safe. Regularly monitor your accounts for any unusual activity. Set up account alerts to notify you of any transactions or changes. Periodically review the transactions Mint displays to ensure they are accurate. Utilize Mint's budgeting tools to gain better control over your finances. Always log out of the app when you're finished, especially on shared devices. Keep your device's operating system and the Mint app updated to the latest version. Lastly, consider regularly changing your password to maintain security. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your financial data while using Mint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.